Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making chicken schnitzel. It's going to be absolutely delicious. I have here 3 chicken breasts that I'm going to cut horizontally in 2. So I'm going to butterfly it, just like that. And you can leave it in 1 or you can separate it and make 2, which I'm going to do. And now I'm going to use some salt and pepper. And I'm going to also remove these fatty parts. Just to clean it up a little bit. Don't need that. And now I'm going to take 2 pieces at a time and I'm going to tenderize it. So a good way to do this is cover it with plastic to keep the juices from splattering everywhere. Turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. I'm going to do with the rest of them. So there it is. This is how it looks. You don't want to flatten it too much. You don't want it too thin. It's going to dry otherwise. Just like that. Next, I have here 3 bowls. 1, I'm going to break the eggs and make an egg wash, flour, and breadcrumbs. So I start with the flour and then eggs. I'm going to beat the eggs with a little bit of salt and some water, just a splash of water. Last one, breadcrumbs. And I'm just using plain breadcrumbs. I'm also going to add a little bit of black pepper to the flour, like this, and mix it all in. And then we take 1 piece at a time, dip it in flour until all covered, then in egg wash until all covered, and then in breadcrumbs, just like that. They are. Flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. Just like that. Oil in this pan about 1/2 inch. So how do you know when your oil is heated enough? You put a spoon and when you see bubbles around like this, you know your oil is hot enough. Or another method is just dropping a little bit of flour and it fizzles like that. So carefully, always add away from you when you're adding food to a hot oil. Just like that. 2-3 minutes per side. And then turn it over. I'm using and then you can put it on this here. So the oil can reach the excess oil. And then I'm going to remove it to a plate lined with parchment paper to absorb the excess oil. The chicken schnitzels are done. If you like my recipes, please give me a thumbs up and and subscribe to my channel. You can also leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.